I'm looking for a slab. Don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to it sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah, I still love my baby even when it's toxic. Crazy like she Britney, but no she don't shade it now.
G'day guys, Urban Z here. Welcome back to a new YouTube video on the channel once again. I've been gone for a little bit of time. My sincerest apologies. And the main reason why I've been away for such a long time is because I'm sure you guys have seen thumbnail title. I've been a little bit busy with something right here. And I'm sure this is going to be a real sad thing for you guys to hear, but the AU Falcon, the mighty AU, is gone. I've sold it. Like I've said, we have replaced it with this absolutely beautiful car. I'll do a quick roll through some footage here for you guys so you guys know what this car's about, and I'll talk about it in the background. But yeah. So guys, this is my 2010 G6E Mark I Turbo. It is obviously the legendary Barra Turbo, 4-litre, 6-cylinder, straight 6. Makes around 270 kilowatts and 533 newton-meters of torque with 0 to 100 at, it's claimed at about 5.1 seconds. You'd have to have good tires and all that stuff to get that kind of speed. It's in a nice Ego grey colour. It's just got the stock wheels. It's pretty much just completely stock standard. All I've really done to it is just add a throttle controller, and they do look pretty good in stock form. Obviously there's a few little things I need to touch up. I might need to do a cheeky video in the future with some detailing of the exterior, because the interior's already been done. But yeah, ZF6, mint car, drives awesome, super reliable. It's a shame that they're not really making these anymore. These and the Commodores, like, they were great cars at the time, great value. I reckon in the 6, the automatic, the Barra Turbo's got to have it, but if you're getting the big V8s, you definitely got to get the manual. The TL6060 or a T56 is the way to go. But yeah, let's just straight to some driving, I guess. Safety is #1 priority. Let's go, boys. Down the roads, I'll give it a little bit of throttle. It's just so quiet, like, I get on it, there's no exhaust note, it's completely stock, but it's fucking still quick. First things first, we're gonna hit up the good man himself, Dan Murphy's, and get a slab of beers. I successfully made it into Dan's. We're in the chiller room. I'm looking for a slab. I'll see what there is though. Give me a sec, boys. It's a bit of a toss-up between the Barra and Bay and the cold and draft, but I think I'm gonna go for the Barra and Bay. They taste better, but don't hit as hard as them. So I'll meet you guys outside, back in the car. The bag has been secured. It's time to hit the freeway. So we'll chuck her off economy on the throttle controller. And we'll chuck her in sport. And we're just gonna fucking send it. Here we go. Holy fuck! Holy fuck, bud! Yeah, this thing's fucking nuts! Yeah, I swear, it fucking feels like I'm in a fucking rocket ship when I'm in this thing. It's just here and it's gone, bro. Like 2 seconds later, it's just gone. Like, what was that? 130 in, like, from 40 in, like, what, 3 seconds? Some shit like that, 4 seconds maybe. I don't even think they knew what they did back then. I don't think they knew, like, what they actually did. Like, these fucking engines are insane. All right, we'll give her a little bit more boost here. This is just in drive, not sports. But we'll slowly build it up. But like after like 2.5, it's just gone. You'll see. Jesus Christ! I'm not even joking. I can't even put my like foot on the throttle for more than like 3 seconds, or else I'm like going to jail 100%. This is all filmed in Mexico, of course. Just a reminder. All my videos are filmed in Mexico most of the time, you know, most of the time. Alright boys, another on-ramp. Let's see the handling, see how she goes. Oh, I just love that fucking turbo whistle. So good. Pretty sharp corner. It's holding boost though. Jeez man, it honestly doesn't feel like I'm I'm speeding. I put the foot down, 2 seconds later I look at the dash and I'm fucking going like 30 over the limit. This is a bad car. I'm joking, it's a good car, but like this is like a car you need to drive like on a track. Like you can't really like drive cars like when you get to when you get past like 350, 400 horsepower, like 200 kilowatt plus, like it's kind of dodgy to like just keep like driving them on the street, because like at that point like you can still cruise them of course, but like if you try and put it down, mate, you're either going to jail or whatever, you know. That's the only problem I have with this car. It might be a little bit too fast for the roads. Alright guys, we just got back home. It's getting pretty dark now, so we'll do the headlight restore tomorrow. But first things first, I'll show you guys, get an actual little audible sound of what the car sounds like. So you can definitely hear it, but it's not crazy loud. We'll hear this turbo spool up. It's got little pops you just hear from the exhaust. This car is a weapon. Right guys, we're back. It is a new day. We have our headlight restorer right here. So first things first, we're just gonna pressure wash the areas that we're doing. We're gonna do the taillights and the front headlights and foggers, just because why not just get it all done with the same thing? It's all the same shit. So hopefully you guys can see us on camera, but these lenses are absolutely filthy. So hopefully this kit kind of restores it. This one isn't too bad, but if you're in person you can really see it, all that oxidation. We'll try and get that out. We'll also do these side view mirror pieces and the tail lights, but the tail lights actually aren't too bad. So right guys, we're going to be using a few parts of the kit, just the Turtle Wax headlight restorer kit. We have some spray lubricant here, so when we're sanding the headlights to get rid of the oxidation, we're just going to be using these little sandpaper cubes, I guess. They have different numbers on them. I'm just going to do one headlight, so it'll save you guys the time of seeing them all being done. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Spray it off the headlight. Time to start sanding. Alright, so that's one side. We're just going to flip this to the other side, which is a higher grit. Exact same process. And two more different numbers on the sanding, so progressively getting higher up and grip again. I'll skip to when it's finished. Alright, it's now sanded. Time to just dry it off. It's already looking 10 times better. Alright, you don't need this, but I have a dual action polisher here. You can just use a regular microfiber towel, but we have the, if you guys can see that, probably not if it focuses. Anyways, we have this lens clarifying compound here. Just going to spray it onto the pad and pretty much just rub it into that headlight, clear any real leftover things that are stuck on it, and we'll let it haze up and then we'll wipe it down and then we'll do some polish and it should be done. Alright, I'm going to give that a little second just to fog up a bit, and then we'll wipe it down with the microfiber cloth. Alright, it's been sitting for a good little minute now. Just going to wipe it off, and wow, That is literally night and day from before. Wow, that's actually kind of crazy. Hopefully you guys can see that on camera. I'll put a little comparison up on the screen now. But yeah, this is just 10 times clearer than before. And that's not even with polish. Alright, next step, I'm going to chuck on some polish. We have some ceramic coating here. You don't really have to do this, but I'm just doing it anyway. Spray it on the cloth. This is just to hold this kind of finish, so it stays like that. But yeah, the stuff will stick to it, and then just wipe it off again, dry towel, and that'll be the finished product. Hopefully you guys can see just how much clearer that is compared to if we go over here. It's kind of hazy and you can't really see. But yeah, just crazy results. So I'm gonna do this with the rest of the car, the fog lights, side view mirrors, and then the back tail lights, and I'll show you guys that once it's finished. Alright, you guys probably can't see shit, it's a little bit dark, but these turned out absolutely beautiful. Look at that, like a mirror. Did these side view mirrors, speaking of mirrors, those are pretty good. And the headlights just looks absolutely killer. Can't really see in this light, but it's sorted. I forgot to mention they come with these coating wipes, so I'm just gonna add them. I think it's like for a sealing as well, but 2 bits of sealing won't be bad. So I'll do ceramic coating and I'll also do this lens coat wipe. So there we go. So that's pretty much going to conclude this video. Sadly, can't really see that much right now because it's a little bit dark. But yeah, hopefully you guys are excited as I am about this car. It is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to do a little bit more content on it. But yeah, just stay tuned. Obviously, like always, drop a like down below for the algorithm. Comment, let me know what you thought about it. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Ciao.